Hello, welcome to your daily Heal meditation. Find a comfortable position. Allow your hands to rest peacefully on your lap, with your palms up, to receive all the positive energy from the universe. Allow your feet to rest peacefully on the ground. Invite them to feel the certainty of the surface that they're resting on. Take a deep breath in and observe the breath from the very beginning until your lungs are full. Respect the pause between the inhale and exhale. And once you became aware of that, proceed with a deep exhale from the beginning to the end. Allow your attention to follow 2 more breaths. Get curious and see if your attention can stay with your breath from the start of the inhale all the way to the end of the exhale. As you continue following your breath, slowly you start noticing that your heartbeat slows down. Naturally, you go deeper and deeper into your thought pattern. Some thoughts might arise here. Just get curious. Allow them to be, but don't attach yourself to any of them. Observe how your breath naturally rises and falls. You don't have to think about it, you don't have to make any efforts. It simply comes and goes in the most perfect and natural rhythm. Your breath does not need approval or acknowledgement. Your breath just is. In Sanskrit, there is a very interesting word, santosha. San means complete, and tosha means contentment. Living our lives in contentment in the present moment is the very key to long-term happiness and fulfillment. When you are content in the present moment and you don't rely on any external factors to make you feel good about yourself, you simply follow the ancient truth of santosha, complete contentment. Being happy and feeling enough in the present moment is simply allowing yourself to be the way you are, without self-judgment, without the need of being approved or acknowledged by other people. In a place of santosha, you don't need to be, achieve, or become anything, because you already are. When you are in a state of complete contentment, you can pursue big goals and big dreams, but you are walking from a place of love, from a place of being enough. As you slowly come back to your body, allow your attention into your feet, into your toes. You can start by slowly moving your body. You may sway side to side or simply move your fingers. As you go with your day to day, bring more and more of santosha into your daily moments. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for taking the time to meditate today and to connect with santosha. Have a beautiful day and see you back here tomorrow.